So how can you make your own custom text message sound on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important like this. So at first, make sure your iPad is running at least iPadOS 26. So we have the 26.1, the latest version at the time of making that video. So make sure you run on the 26 at least, because now you can only need, you only need to have the MP3 or some different audio files saved inside of your Files app, right? So you can locate your recordings, or it might be MP3 file of any way. It doesn't matter how you get it to the iPad, it just has to be in here. So as I said, it might be recorded over the voice memos, or perhaps you have some files on your computer that you created, whatever, right? But the point is that you can hold down on the audio file, click on a share, and you can see that we have the ability to use it as a ringtone. So you're going to do that, and it will be added as your ringtone, right? So whenever you receive a call through FaceTime, for example, or whatever, it will be used for that. So that's nice, but obviously it's not for the text messages, right? It's not the text sound. But you can go to these settings, check out the sounds section, and go to the text tone, right? So we might have selected the ringtone, but then you go to the text tone, and at the bottom entirely, you can see we have the ringtone in here, the one which we just added. So as you can see, you don't have to do it for your ringtone. You can do it for the text tone right here, and then the ringtone can be changed to something else. But right now you have selected your own sound for the text message notification, right? And that's how you're going to do this. It's pretty simple. It's great. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.